Lots of stands and whatnot. Now something you think, I don't know, maybe you'll think it's cool. I think it's cool. These are Petersen jack stands. They were rated for 10,000 pounds. If you have this, definitely do not use them for 10,000 pounds. There was a recall, people died. They were downgraded to 6,500. In fact, if you do a search on Petersen jack stands, you'll find the NHTSA recall letter. That's actually, I found out what these things were because I wasn't sure. And then we're back to our secondary toolbox. Think of it like my static toolbox. Yes, it's a TV thing. Ah! And last time I showed you a little bit. I do have some. These are all Grey Pneumatic, by the way. This is the dual set. Right. With deep and long. It's a 3/8. Underneath I have it. I'm not going to show every single thing, but you get the idea. I got metric deeps. I think these are regular, but these are 1/2 inches. I got some more there. Also some DeWalt's because I want to give them a try, see how they are, to be honest. These are the adapters, the extension kits and whatnot. Got my metal working kit. That's basically just some dollies and hammers and sacrificial tin snips. An old Schumacher battery charger. It is excellent, and I've had that for 15 years at least. I have a OTC. I think this is the American-made one. Of course, it's backwards. The OTC front-end service kit. I haven't used it yet, obviously. So now I have my mobile little Craftsman, whatever this is, a 167 piece kit. I also recommend getting one of these because, you know, you just want to get on the road somewhere, somebody calls you, you just want to grab a kit and go. And this is pretty much pre-made. It's got everything you need for your average repairs. Bam! Now I've also added a couple of things the kit did not originally have, like the sleeves for the open ends. I added some extra extensions and some deep wool sockets. So there it is.